Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. The impact of worn rings, cylinder walls, low ring tension, and broken rings on engine performance. When it comes to engine performance, worn rings, cylinder walls, low ring tension, and broken rings can significantly impact the overall functionality of your vehicle. Understanding these issues and their potential effects on your engine's performance is crucial for maintaining and optimizing its efficiency. In this video, we will delve into the causes and implications of worn rings, cylinder walls, low ring tension, and broken rings, providing valuable insights to help you address potential concerns and keep your engine running smoothly. We would love for you to comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. The role of rings and cylinder walls. The rings and cylinder walls in an engine play a crucial role in ensuring efficient performance. The rings, typically made of cast iron or steel, are installed in the grooves on the outer diameter of the piston. They create a seal between the piston and the cylinder wall, preventing the combustion gases from leaking into the crankcase and also regulating oil consumption. The cylinder walls, also known as the cylinder bores, provide the housing for the pistons and rings. They need to be smoothly machined to reduce friction and wear on the piston rings while maintaining a tight seal for combustion. Common issues with worn rings and cylinder walls. Worn rings and cylinder walls can lead to several performance issues in an engine. When the rings wear out, the seal between the piston and cylinder wall is compromised, allowing combustion gases to escape into the crankcase. This can result in reduced compression, increased oil consumption, and decreased power output. Additionally, worn cylinder walls can lead to excessive oil consumption, reduced compression, and increased blow-by, which negatively impacts engine efficiency. The wear and tear of rings and cylinder walls can be caused by factors such as inadequate lubrication, high engine temperatures, poor maintenance, and the presence of contaminants in the engine oil. Addressing these issues promptly through regular maintenance and using high-quality lubricants can help prevent premature wear and ensure optimal engine performance. Impact of low ring tension on engine performance. Effects of low ring tension on compression. When the ring tension in an engine is low, it leads to reduced compression in the combustion chamber. This decreased compression results in a drop in engine power and efficiency. Without adequate pressure from the compression, the fuel mixture may not ignite properly, leading to incomplete combustion and reduced performance. Symptoms of low ring tension. One of the key symptoms of low ring tension is decreased engine power. Drivers may also notice reduced acceleration and increased fuel consumption. Additionally, there may be increased exhaust emissions and visible smoke from the tailpipe due to poor combustion caused by low compression. Let's continue. Consequences of ignoring low ring tension. Ignoring low ring tension can have serious repercussions on the overall health and performance of the engine. Continued operation with low ring tension can lead to accelerated wear on the cylinder walls, piston rings, and other critical engine components. This can ultimately result in costly repairs and potentially even irreversible damage to the engine. Regular maintenance and prompt attention to low ring tension can help prevent these detrimental consequences and keep the engine running smoothly. Identifying broken rings and their effects. Recognizing the signs of broken rings in an engine is critical for maintaining optimal performance and preventing further damage. Broken rings can have a significant impact on engine performance and lead to long-term issues if not addressed promptly. Understanding the potential damage caused by broken rings is essential for effective troubleshooting and maintenance. Signs of broken rings. Excessive oil consumption. Broken rings can allow oil to seep into the combustion chamber, leading to increased oil consumption and the need for frequent top-ups. Blue smoke from exhaust. When oil enters the combustion chamber due to broken rings, it burns along with the fuel, resulting in blue smoke emitting from the exhaust. Loss of power and efficiency. As the sealing capability of the broken rings diminishes, the engine may experience a decrease in power output and reduced fuel efficiency. How broken rings affect engine performance. The presence of broken rings can disrupt the combustion process in the engine, leading to a range of performance issues. The incomplete sealing of the combustion chamber caused by broken rings can result in reduced compression, inefficient fuel combustion, and compromised power delivery. This can lead to a noticeable decrease in engine performance, including decreased acceleration, rough idling, and overall diminished power output. Potential damage caused by broken rings. The effects of broken rings can extend beyond immediate performance issues and lead to more serious damage to the engine. Continuous exposure to unburned oil due to broken rings can result in the buildup of carbon deposits on the pistons and cylinder walls, affecting overall engine efficiency. Furthermore, the loss of compression caused by broken rings can lead to overheating and increased wear on other critical engine components, further exacerbating the damage and potentially resulting in costly repairs. When left unaddressed, the effects of broken rings on engine performance can compound, leading to more extensive damage and increased repair costs. Recognizing the signs of broken rings and understanding their impact on engine performance is crucial for prompt diagnosis and effective resolution. Strategies for addressing worn rings, cylinder walls, low ring tension, and broken rings. Maintenance and inspection techniques. When dealing with worn rings, cylinder walls, low ring tension, or broken rings, it's crucial to conduct regular maintenance and thorough inspections of the engine components. This involves checking for signs of wear, such as excessive blow-by, oil consumption, loss of compression, or abnormal engine noises. Utilizing tools like a borescope can provide a detailed visual inspection of the cylinder walls and piston rings. Additionally, performing a compression test can reveal any issues with ring sealing and cylinder pressure. Repair and replacement options. Repairing worn rings, cylinder walls, low ring tension, or broken rings may involve honing or machining the cylinder walls to restore proper surface finish and dimensions. In more severe cases, replacing the piston rings or even the entire piston assembly may be necessary. It's essential to source high-quality replacement parts that meet OEM specifications to ensure optimal performance and longevity of the engine. Importance of proper installation and tensioning. Proper installation and tensioning of piston rings are critical for maintaining engine efficiency and preventing premature wear. Following the manufacturer's guidelines for ring installation, including ring end gap and orientation, is paramount. Utilizing specialized tools such as piston ring expanders and tensioners can aid in achieving the recommended ring tension. Neglecting these crucial installation steps can lead to reduced compression, increased oil consumption, and diminished overall engine performance. Ensuring optimal engine performance requires paying close attention to worn rings, cylinder walls, low ring tension, and broken rings. By addressing these issues promptly, you can prevent further damage to your engine and maintain its efficiency. Regular maintenance, inspection, and timely repairs are crucial to keeping your engine running smoothly. Stay proactive in monitoring these factors to avoid costly repairs and maintain the longevity of your engine. Please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.